Traders, I'm looking at the US500, the S&P. So we can see that this is currently trading into the high of this current trading range. It traded up. It has eaten into buy-side liquidity, resting above here. We can see a reaction off that. I want to go down the 4-hour chart and show you what I'm seeing here. Okay, so it's tuned into these buy stops that are sitting up in here. It's quite a strong resistance zone. We have this gap that could look to get filled. The other thing with this is if we pick up the Fibonacci, pull it from low to high, on a bullish perspective, a trade back down into, well, through this imbalance down into equilibrium makes a lot of sense to me. So I'd be looking for a potential buy opportunity if we trade down into this area. Now, it would have to be based on this trading down and then breaking structure bullish. All right, so that would get me interested long. The thing with this, though, is if it doesn't break structure bullish and it trades down into this level here, all right, we could see this actually head down into these lower levels, right? So you want to keep an eye on how it trades, right? If it trends, it could continue down without breaking market structure bullish, or it trades down into the level and then we see a market structure shift. So just keep an eye on how this trend here behaves, right? So it either continues or it breaks, it shifts gears. So that's what I'm looking at. And I'll be looking for an opportunity mainly around this area down here. This is my point of interest. So let's just get rid of a couple of drawings and yeah, I mean, just keep an eye on it. I'd be looking to get involved on a lower time frame, possibly a 15-minute time frame. But keep an eye on it. Look, see here, it's trending, and then it breaks structure. Same thing. That's all I'm looking for. Now we're trending up. We've shifted gears. See the shift in is the structural shift here with this trend. So I'm thinking maybe a little bit of downside to work through this gap, possibly down into equilibrium. What else can I say? Yeah, I think that sort of sums it up, guys. That's a bit of a take on the S&P. And look, honestly, this could head in either direction. It either trades bullish and we see more upside, or we head further south at this point. Very difficult to predict the markets at the moment. I mean, look at the volatility. Look at this. Look, it tanks, it rallies, it tanks, it rallies, it trades down, it trades back up, it tanks again, it rallies. Right? It's a very, very difficult market. This is not an easy market to trade. So you've really got to develop some rules and a strategy that can help you. I mean, that's what I do. I'm mainly day trading at the moment and just running with the momentum in between each session. All right, that's my take. I would really love it if you commented. Definitely comment below and give me let me hear your thoughts. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.